Okay, this video is over outlining, which is one of the strategies that he mentions in chapter 7 in Change Brain, Change Grades. We are going to work on outlining chapter 9. You are going to also outline chapter 9 and then send it to me. So just so you get a chance to practice this note-taking strategy. Okay, so a few things about outlining that he mentions in chapter 7. Do it concisely, do it thoughtfully. He actually says outlining will re-expose you to the material in a slower, more methodical manner, right? And we know that that organization is really important for our brain. And when we're creating outlines, highlight the important facts. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do chapter 9, parietal relations. I love outlining because it is quick and captures everything, and it provides a really excellent study tool for when you're finished. But just as a reminder, the parietal lobe, part of our brain. Okay, so he's talking about making connections. Connections for memory. Okay. So, this first thing, how the brain makes memories. Okay, now, just the same with SQ3R. The more that I put things into my own words, the better it will be for me. Okay, so I am taking all the bold terms over here, I'm putting them over here, and then as much as I can, I'm going to put it into my own words. Okay, so encoding. What is encoding? Getting input. Storage. Putting. Let's say keeping it. And we want this to be organized. Then we have recall. Retrieving stored memory. Okay. Then we have the 3 types of memory in the next section. The first one is immediate. This is less than, oh, that's great. Less than 1 second. Apply and respond. For example, listen to a lecture and take notes. Then we have short term memory. Governed by PFC, right? That's the prefrontal cortex. The command center of our brain. And this is less than 1 minute. He also calls this transition, right? Between this and short, long term. We'll draw another arrow there. We want to make sure we're done with this section. Things that can, how to improve short-term memory, focus, context, and grouping. Okay, that's all for that one. And then long-term memory. Lasts hours to years. Limitless. When organized, easier to retrieve. Okay, so there are our information about that. Our next point is going to be why memory fails.